Hello, everyone. My name is McKenna, and today I'm going to talk to you all about some different things that are affecting sea turtle populations in today's day. First, I will give you a brief overview of what I'm going to tell you all about today. So I'm going to give you some basic information on sea turtles. Then I will talk about light pollution, egg poaching, and turtles as bycatch, as these are three of the main causes of deaths for turtles. My thesis statement is sea turtles are an endangered keystone species due to various anthropogenic causes, and it is critical that we learn of their plight and protect them. Some quick facts about sea turtles are that they are keystone species in the ocean, which means a lot of animals depend on them for food, and they depend on a lot of different animals for food as well. So without the species, there would be a distinct change in the dynamics of the ocean. There are two families of sea turtles comprising 7 species, and 6 of these 7 species are on the endangered list. Once upon a time, I don't really think it was that long ago, there were 10 million olive ridley sea turtles on just one Mexican beach, but now there are only 800,000 breeding pairs in the entire world. And sea turtles are species that already have the odds stacked against them for survival. For example, before humans came into the picture, only about 20 of 100 sea turtles would survive to breeding age. And that's just because of different things that kill them off, like other animals eating them or drowning as they make their way to the ocean, etc. And now only 2 of 100 sea turtles survive to breeding age because of all these human factors that have come into play. So we'll talk about light pollution first. Sea turtles are a species of animal that does what's called phototaxis, which is where they are attracted to the light. So when sea turtles hatch from their eggs and emerge to the top of the sand, they are instantly drawn to the brightest source of light, which should be the moon over the ocean. And so then they would just follow their light into the ocean. But now there are a lot of different artificial lights on the cities and beaches, and the sea turtles are oftentimes more attracted to those, which is a problem because as they make their way to those lights, they become even more vulnerable to being eaten by sea turtles and other, or not by sea turtles, by seagulls and other animals. There was a study done on baby sea turtles' reactions to lights, where researchers took a bunch of baby sea turtles, put them in a tub of water, attached a string on a PVC pipe, and emitted different types of light. And the sea turtles were most likely to follow without deviation the yellow colored light, which is the most common color of artificial light on beaches. Egg poaching is another serious threat to sea turtle babies. Eggs are a delicacy in Mexico and they're sold in markets. And it is a federal crime there. However, it is also a way that a lot of people earn a living and put food on the table. So Mexican authorities have started to use drones to surveil the beaches and to try to catch on video the people who are poaching eggs. However, the drones don't have infrared sensors, so if they want to poach at night, they're more likely to get away with it. One thing that is being done to also prevent the poaching of eggs is by putting fake eggs in with the real eggs with GPS trackers, so that when poachers take all the eggs, there is a GPS tracker in their bag. The next issue is turtles as bycatch. Ghost nets are just nets lost at sea, and turtles oftentimes get caught up in those and drown. Turtles can live without water or without air for about 7 hours during dormant periods. However, if they're panicking, they can die within about 4. Shrimp trawls or bycatch is another thing that is causing turtle deaths. And I'm actually going to show you a video. Shrimp trawling is the highest killer of sea turtles. Let me stop my share and share my screen again. So this is a video of a turtle and what's called a turtle excluder device, which is something that works to prevent turtles from being stuck in shrimp trawls and lets them escape, but it doesn't let the little critters like shrimp escape. So this is a really awesome device that is proving its worth because it's saving a lot of sea turtles. Okay, I'm going to share my screen again with my PowerPoint slides. All right, and one more slide, if it lets me. Okay, And to conclude, ways that you can help sea turtle populations are picking up trash on the beaches so that all these little microplastics don't go inside the tummies of other turtles, because turtles actually die by eating microplastics because then they can't digest it, so they feel full and then they die from actual starvation. Also keep a distance from nesting turtles and just continue to learn more about sea turtles and how you can protect